Thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. I hope everyone is having a fantastic March so far. Here in the attic, I'm still trying to play a little catch up from February and the flu. So today I'm doing a quick flip through of my March planner. I have a playlist for all my creative planner series. I will link that at the end of this video. If this is your first time watching the creative planner series, it is where I take a digital kit to set up my monthly planner to show how digital kits are not just for journals. They are so versatile and can be a more budget-friendly option than some of the more expensive planner products. This is also a design team project for the Paper Be Creative, and I'm using the kit Signs of Spring. I will link that down in the description box. So now let's do a quick flip through of what I did for my March setup. This is a planner that I did purchase at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I loved the basic insides of the planner idea, like the dividers and such, but I did not like the pages, so I decided to change those up. Here is my March dashboard, where I'm going to track my social media and my life gamification stats. I added a little fussy cut here of this owl that I think is so cute in the kit, and a butterfly, and I added some little stickers. I did some paper tearing here, and with this I am using the Distress Oxides Speckled Egg, Bundled Sage, Dried Marigold, and then distressing the edges with Vintage Photo. For my background papers, I wanted to do some ink blending, and I did use the Bundled Sage, the Speckled Egg, and the Dried Marigold to do a vertical blending in the background of my papers. For these boxes, these are planner boxes that I created, and they are available on my Ko-fi shop. There are several sizes in a variety of colors. This is my monthly spread, where I did some corner clusters with some fussy cutting of some of the images out of the kit. These were not actually fussy cuts from the kit, but this is how I take digital kits and cut out some of the images that are in the background pages and stuff to use to create my planner spreads. I used some of the paper here to create a washi strip type image, along with some more of the fussy cuts. And also down here. This is also something I cut out of the kit to create my own word strips. And this is my first week of March. I did my ink blending. This was a bookmark that's in the kit and a little journaling card. I added my planner boxes, my days and number stickers here. I really liked the style that I did last month of doing the Dutch doors with the weekly spread for my meal plan and then some journaling area so that I can write down my thoughts for the week here. So I probably will continue that throughout the year. This is the second page of that spread. Again, another little fussy cut, and again cut out some of the wording that was in the journal pages. Week 2, I did a little cluster down here with one of the pockets that was in the kit. Did some paper tearing here with one of the background papers, and here again with some of the images from the kit. Another one of the bookmarks that's in this kit, and one of the fussy cuts. And then I used some stickers I had in my stash for planners. Another bookmark here. Some more stickers that I had. The planner boxes. Paper tearing here. Some cluster building here with some of the images from the kit. And again down here with a corner cluster. I love this little owl in the kit. He is one of my favorites, so I included him a couple of times in this planner spread. Another corner cluster here. Some more paper tearing to create a washi style paper strip here. Some more paper tearing and fussy cutting here. And when you're using these images, don't feel like you have to use the whole image. Put that image down and then you can trim around it. It will look fine. Don't overthink creating these clusters. Try to just enjoy the process. Another one of the bookmarks. Some more of the planner stickers. And this is my final page, and this was a full page out of the kit that I had to make just reflection notes and stuff for the month of March. So don't forget, I am doing a giveaway here on the YouTube channel, so be sure to check out the description box for the entry details. The prizes will be given away on April 1st, and prizes will be physical and digital. All that information is in the description box. I will also link the giveaway information video at the end of this one. So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. Until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.